Hello, Nadine here today, and today I am doing a card in celebration of Joy Clair's 5th anniversary. So what I'm going to be doing is doing the card. I'm going to be using these two stamps from Joy Clair, and then also some VersaFine Clair ink. So the stamp set I'm going to be using, this is Wood Grain from Joy Clair, and then this one is Sunflower or Sunshine Flower. You can see the sentiment says, "Blessed are those who shine like the sun." Okay, so first starting with my MISTI and then just using a piece of cardstock, I'm going to put a little bit of tape onto the back. Because I am using a background stamp, I can't put my card piece into a corner, so I'm just putting it in the corner, and I can't use the, what are these called, magnets to hold it down. So I'm just adding some adhesive onto the back to keep it into place. And then taking the wood grain stamp, place it right there into the middle. Now it doesn't go all the way to the edge of my card piece, but that's okay because I'm going to be cutting it down. So now using the VersaFine Clair, this is the Pinecone color, I'm going to ink up the stamp and stamp it down. And also, since this is the Joy Clair's 5th anniversary, a lot of the designers are several designers, and we're all doing a blog hop. And if you go to everyone's blog and comment on their projects, you can get a chance to win a, I think it's 2 people win a $25 gift certificate to Joy Clair. So I will put the link down below in my description box to my blog, so you can get more information on where to go, so you can have a chance to win and follow along with the blog hop. And it also will have a link to all of the products that I'm using as well. There we go. Pretty cool wood grain design. So now just taking some StazOn stamp cleaner, I'm going to clean off my stamp. And when I clean off my stamps, I like to use a microfiber cloth because it doesn't put all of the little fuzzies on there like a baby wipe would or a paper towel. And then when they get really dirty, I just throw them in the wash. So now I'm just putting what I just stamped onto a paper towel, just creates easier cleanup for me. And I'm going to use Fireworks from Desert Sand. This is from Imagine. Shake it up to get all that mica powder mixed into there. And I'm just going to spray that right over. And then just set that aside to dry. So now the next step is using the Joy Clair, the Sunshine Flower stamp set. And I'm first going to stamp it with the solid image right here. And I'm going to stamp that with the VersaFine Clair. This is Cheerful. Ooh. And clean my stamp again. And then moving on to the second one. Now this layer I'm going to stamp with the VersaFine Clair in Summertime. And then one more layer. And then this one is basically the outline layer. And I'm going to be stamping this with VersaFine Clair in Acorn. Now using the solid center, I'm also going to do this in Acorn. And the final step, adding a center into the middle, little dots into the center. And I'm going to stamp that with the VersaFine Clair Pinecone. Okay, I am going to do a whole nother flower. The same as what I did that one, but I'm also going to stamp the sentiment here. And the sentiment, I am going to use the Pinecone. And then once I am done stamping everything out, the other flower and the sentiment. I'm going to cut them all out. So I'll fussy cut the flowers out and then cut out the sentiment, and I think I'm going to back it with some, let's see, this is some coordination cardstock, and I thought that color matched it well, so I'm going to be matting it with that. So here it is. Like you can see, I fussy cut out the flowers. I adhered them on with some 3D foam squares. I also adhered the sentiment on with the back, the background. I added some twine around on there, and then the center of the flowers added some sheer shimmer sticks in sparkle right onto the center of each flower. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks. See you next time. Bye-bye.